So, I mean, transfers are difficult. I told Teresa last year, I said, I'm just not sure there's a solution to making it less difficult. So the biggest issues we have are stability of the wheelchair, okay, because we got to have, you know, regrettably, there's always a wheel in the way, there's always a brake handle in the way, there's often, if they don't have removable arms, there's an arm in the way. So it's getting from that wheelchair either up over something to get to the mid station, and if they don't have use of their arms, if they don't have a strong upper body, that means we're going to have someone doing a fireman carry behind them, and often we have someone doing a fireman carry on the legs. So it'll be 1, 2, 3 transfer midpoint, 1, 2, 3 transfer to the boat. So, you know, we worry about injury one for our participants, but also our volunteers. We just use a midpoint. So we have the guy in the wheelchair here, he's in his chair, and then we do something that's slightly lower than the chair, but slightly higher than the kayak. Okay. And so that way it's a transfer midpoint, and from that point to the kayak. This little box here is a milk crate turned upside down, a bunch of foam put on there and duct taped on. Nothing fancy. One of the big worries with someone who has paralysis is skin atrophy, because their skin is fragile. I guess I'm more focused on the safety end. I don't mind it taking a little bit. I just want to make sure that it's a good, safe, clean transfer. You know, we're here to have fun, but we have to do it in a safe fashion. You know, is there a platform that you could make where you could wheel them up to it? It'd have to be somewhat adjustable depending on the height of the wheelchair. That would, you know, give some assist on that.
This right here is our engineering transfer device.
The device alleviates the height difference between wheelchair and sporting equipment, making it easier and safer to transfer because the participant only needs to transfer laterally. The seat is capable of raising and lowering anywhere from 6 inches to 24 inches, making it easier to transfer into kayaks, hockey sleds, or any other device in that range.
Our main client this year was TASK, and our main objective was to design a device to help participants transfer in and out of kayaks. However, after feedback from our clinical focus group, we found that our device has a much larger array of uses.
We took our device to an Ohio Wheelchair Games event and received overwhelmingly positive feedback. We met with a discus athlete who, with the help of our device, could come closer to breaking world records.
We see great potential in this transfer device in helping both individuals and organizations because it can decrease the amount of physical stress that's placed on both the participants and the volunteers.